me to settle down, but it ain't working. And time again, you always fall through. What am I supposed to do? Keep on loving you, baby. Time after time, you on my mind, I admit. I'll do the time if it's a crime to resist. Your love got me feeling all type of ways. So give it to me, baby, to me straight. I don't wanna be that one guy, that one time, that could have been more but didn't realize. I wanna be much more than what you fantasize. Be what you need in life. Shawty, I'm on my way. Before you close that door, let me inside. Before you say those words, let me say mine. I do that every day when you glance my way, girl. I couldn't leave you on your own again. This time I swear to you I'm over it. Apologize for all the loneliness, abstinence. See, you've been sitting pretty at the top. I just had to find another lane. This time I would have anticipated. I was wrong and now I owe you payment. You've been there from the start and never relocated. It should have been plain to see that you're the only girl for me. So give me a chance. Before you close that door, let me inside. Before you say those words, let me say mine. I do that every day when you glance my way, girl. I couldn't leave you on your own again. Now baby, party, wind your body to the heartbeat jumping. No ragamuffin, but I give the best performances. I treat you like my Rasta, eat it like some pasta, lay you down in proper. Do you understand? I give you the keys just to be a man. I truly believe that this is God's plan. I give you the best of me, give you the rest of me. Before you close that door, let me inside. Let me inside. Before you say those words, no, let me say mine. I do that every day when you glance my way, girl. I couldn't leave you on your own. I couldn't, no. I couldn't leave you on your own again, baby. Oh, na, na, na.